How to do text reveal effect. To begin, I added a background and a text to my timeline, and I want to create a text reveal effect. Use the selection tool and drag the text a little below of where you want it to be revealed. Now go to Effects panel and search for Crop. Drag and drop crop effect into your text. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls panel. Now move the playhead at the start. Then increase bottom value until the moment you can't see your text anymore. Go down in Properties of the text and click on Stopwatch next to Position property of the text to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and decrease position second value until you can see your text. This will create the second keyframe. Move the second keyframe to the right if you want the transition to take more time. Move the playhead to where you want to start and reveal your text and click on this circle button to create a keyframe with current value. Then move the playhead a little forward and increase position second value until the text is not visible anymore. To smooth the transition, select the first two keyframes, right-click on one of them and select Temporal Interpolation, Ease In. Next, select the last two keyframes, right-click on one of them and select Temporal Interpolation, Ease Out. Now our transition is much smoother. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.